Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. With the help of the settings options on WhatsApp, you can easily make a regular backup of the WhatsApp chat messages on Google Drive. Follow these videos to make a backup and restore the chat data with Google Drive. First, open the WhatsApp. Tap the dotted lines on the top right of the screen. Then select Settings from the expanded list. Then choose Chats. Proceed with the selection of Chat Backup. Now click Backup to Google Drive button. Click the Google account where you would like to make a backup of the WhatsApp chats. Hit the Allow option. Enable the Include Videos to backup the videos, files, and chat messages. Finally, click the Backup option to initiate the backup process on the WhatsApp social app. Ensure the steps are completed to establish an automatic backup of WhatsApp chats and videos on Google Drive. You can also make changes in the settings of WhatsApp as per your requirements. Now, to restore WhatsApp on Google Drive, surf through the steps to learn about the restore process on Google Drive. Go to the Google Play Store and download WhatsApp. Soon after the download, you must install it by following the wizards. Open the app after a successful installation. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter your WhatsApp phone number and verify by entering the code received on your device. Click the Continue button. Now press the Restore button. And then enter your name and click Next. You can view the chat page soon after tapping the Next button. The restore process is completed successfully with the help of the built-in settings in WhatsApp. You need not require an external tool to achieve this task. The restore option works out only if the chat messages were properly backed up on Google Drive, or you will receive an error message during the restore procedure. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.